Hello, my name is Russell Jacobs, and I would like to talk to you about why I believe that every state should have a mandatory recycling system. A lot of people believe that this is infringing on their civil rights for the state and government to tell you how to dispose of your trash. I don't believe that. I actually believe it is giving rights to our planet on which we live, the only one that we have. There are only two human-made structures in the entire world that can be seen from our Earth's orbit. That's the Great Wall of China, and that is the Fresh Kills landfill located on Staten Island. The U.S. has 3,091 landfills and over 10,000 old municipal landfills, according to the Environmental Protection Agency, all of which create hazardous air emissions and eventually leak into the groundwater. In March of 2000, it was reported that 82% of surveyed landfill cells leaked fluids into the water. Americans generate over 250 million tons of garbage per year. Some reports show over 400 million tons. Since 1960, America has tripled the amount of waste it generates. About 1/10 of all solid waste does not get recycled. As of 1992, 14 billion pounds of trash were dumped into the oceans annually around the world. There is an island. It's called a plastic island. It is twice the size of Texas. It is located in the Pacific Ocean. It is created from our waste. Enough hazardous waste is generated in 12 months to fill the New Orleans Superdome 1,500 times over. Every day, the U.S. throws away enough trash to fill 63,000 garbage trucks. Almost 1/3 of waste generated in the U.S. is packaging, which is unnecessary. Each year, Americans toss away enough disposable utensils and cups to circle the equator 300 times. Since 2003, recycling has reduced the amount of trash thrown away in the U.S. by up to 32%, approximately 79 million tons per year. Which is good news, however. Americans are also consuming more and more, and packaging has increased on all products. So, it's a minimum effect of what we're doing to our landfills. Though the U.S. has a federal environmental agency that supports recycling, it does not have a federal recycling law. Realizing the importance of recycling, various cities and states like Pittsburgh, San Diego, Seattle, New York, Philadelphia, Connecticut, Gainesville, Florida, and Honolulu have enacted their own mandatory recycling laws. A common reason that prompted these states to enact the mandatory recycling laws was that they had difficulties and constraints to landfilling and disposing of waste. By implementing mandatory recycling laws, environmental pollution and the volume of garbage is reduced. A well-run recycling program is cost-effective, ensuring a cost ranging between $50 and $150 per ton, and the cost of trash collection and disposal program is estimated at $70 to $200 per ton. Mandatory recycling laws prevents greenhouse gas emissions, and so people will live in a cleaner atmosphere and environment. More and more mandatory recycling programs create more and more job opportunities in a community, jobs in which we need in this country. So please do everything you can to talk to your state or federal government about implementing mandatory recycling programs for your state or community. In the long run, this will have great effect on our children and our children's children. We only have one earth, so do what you can to help protect it. Thank you very much.